All right, so talk.
I'll get right to it. Biyomon, go back to the digital world.
What?
But boss! And what if I say no?
Then I'm gonna have to make you go.
Marcus, no!
Look, don't get involved, Christy. This is my fight. All right, you ready, Biyomon?
I made a promise, Marcus. No matter what, I'll always be by Christy's side. So, let's do this!
Bring it on!
Biyomon, don't do it!
Had enough? Then just stay down.
Biyomon!
Don't worry about me, Christy. I haven't forgotten my promise to you. No way. I won't. I can't. Quit.
Stop! Just stop it! Why are you being so unfair, Marcus? Why does Biyomon have to go back when Agumon gets to stay here with you?
Wait!
Let go!
Look, Christy, the boss likes Biyomon. I'm sure he doesn't want to fight either, but he does want to protect you, so he doesn't really have a choice. See, he's hoping that if he fights now, you won't have to later.
Marcus.
I made a promise.
Boss!
Huh?
Didn't hurt. Not at all. What a joke. Now you're going down! And now I'm gonna send you back to the digital world where you belong!